Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change administrator on Windows 10. In Windows, you can give administrator rights to any account signed in on your computer. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to Accounts, then select Family and other users. Select an account to which you want to give the administrator permissions. Then select Change Account Type and change the account type from the standard user to administrator. Then click OK, and this way you can make this user an administrator on your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.